Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to continue our JustPy journey and we will take a look at how you can use charting and maybe later how we can use equations. So let's see how we can go about that. First we are going to take a look at Markdown charting.py. And this is how we can do it. JustPy as JP. So basically Markdown is a markup language that you may be familiar with, and it allows us to create web pages which are basically rendered markdowns. Let's create an add item to list, self message, and this is going to be a handler. So basically message.page and message. So web page dot list item number plus equals 1 and web page dot md dot markdown equals. This is going to be an f string where we put our markdown. So web page dot md dot markdown and the new line character, star, white space, star item, star, web page dot list item number and star. And this is a handler. So we have the md function. So web page equals jp.webpage, and the jp.button is going to have a text which will add item to list, and the classes are going to be jp.styles.button bordered, and we will add to the styles m-4 and p-2 with the click event handled by the add item to list, and we attach it to the web page. So let me break it up for you. This is one, this is the other, and one is not like the other. Alright, so now we can use the wp.md to define the jp.markdown, and this markdown is equal to the following. We have a hashtag my list and we attach it to the web page, and the classes are m-2. So basically what we say is that we want a markdown heading on the page, and the vp.list item number is equal to 0, and we return the web page. Now we create the set route decorated function which will have the hello context route, and let's call this md_write, and the web page is a jp.webpage and the web page.write hashtag hello world, and we return the web page. Then we run with the JustPy the md function. Great. So let's run the markdown charting, and if I visit the web page, what does it? So markdown, and this is the JP. Why is it not working? Because I made a typo. So it says that it doesn't have a markdown attribute, but it should. Markdown. This is the web page we created, and it should have the Markdown defined. What is wrong? Let's see. JustPy has no attribute Markdown. Come on. Maybe there is a dependency that has to be installed. Ah, yeah, we do need to install Python Markdown. All right. Which comes from the Markdown. And that way this original code should work. Alright, so this is how it looks like. We can hit the hello context route, and this is a Markdown render text, and I can add items to my list. And this is behind the scenes, is all done with Markdown. Alright, so the next thing that we want to look at is how we can use Matplotlib. So we have to install pip install Matplotlib. Matplotlib. Alright, while it installs, we create the matplotlib.py and import JustPy as JP and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and define our plot test function. We create our jp.webpage, and the plt.plot will take the 0, 1, 4, and 9 with the marker, which is a star, and the marker size, which is 20, and the marker edge color is red. Then the plt.title is example, and the plt.xlabel is going to be xdata, and the plt.ylabel is going to be ydata, and the jp.matplotlib attach it to the web page. Alright, and we will have the plt.close and return the web page, and with jp JustPy run the plot test. So now it is still working. Alright. It is not that fast. Let's try it. It's a bit better. Alright, then we will use the magic of editing and continue once it's downloaded. So finally, Matplotlib is installed, and what we would like to do is to run our example. So Python matplotlib, and if you check out the application, you can see that we have successfully plotted. And basically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.